once again, guys, appreciate you guys hopping on today's XCore overview call. If you guys do not know me, I am Zay Molina, one of the IX market experts here at IX Global. And with that being said, guys, again, we're going to dive into our XCore trading educational platform to tell you guys a little bit more about what we have here within our trading education, why we believe that we are one of the best educational platforms out there within the entire industry, and how you guys can benefit from us to help you guys take your trading to the next level. Okay, so without further ado, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat. We'll get to as many as we can today. We'll answer them at the end of the call, just to make sure we're not interrupting the presentation, and we'll help make sure you guys get all the information that you need to make the best decision for yourself on whether or not our platform is perfect for you. Okay, so with that being said, let's dive in, guys, into our XCore overview call. Now, before we dive a little bit deeper into it, I do want to start with our disclaimer, guys, just to make sure that we're all on the same page before we move forward. Okay, so us here at IX Global, we are not financial nor investment advisors. Past performance does not guarantee future results. The Forex, the crypto, the commodities, the indices, the synthetic indices, and all financial markets that we participate in do involve risk, and risk means potential loss. Okay, so we cannot/do not offer any guaranteed ROI or any guaranteed income here at IX Global, guys. What we do offer is education, tools, technology, mentorship, and guidance to help you guys learn more about the financial markets, learn the strategies that we personally use to help you guys make better informed decisions when you enter the markets at your own risk. Okay, so once again, guys, no guaranteed ROI, no guaranteed income. What we offer is education and mentorship. Okay, we also recommend to never borrow money to get involved in any business or market, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, so with that being said, again, just wanted to start off with that quick disclaimer to make sure you guys understand that we are an educational platform first when it comes to the trading education. Okay, now, with that being said, before we dive into XCore here today, guys, we got to first talk about IX Global as a whole, and it starts off with our 1X Lifestyle Membership Club. Okay, so what is 1X? Well, guys, IX Global has been around for almost 4 years now, and through everything that IX has gone through, they came down to it and decided to create the 1X Lifestyle Membership Club to not only help people within the trading realm, right? We're not just a trading company. We're not just a technology company, guys. We are a lifestyle membership club to help you guys improve your lives in all facets of life, right? Not only financial, but also, personal goals, health goals, mindset goals. Every other aspect that you can really think of, guys, comes down to our platform here within this 1X brand. And now this 1X brand is not just a brand, right? We're going to dive a little bit deeper into this and talk about why this brand is so important to us here at IX. Okay, so first off, the first part of 1X is that one, right? And this one represents us deciding to be the one to take our freedom back, right? We are deciding to be the one to go after our financial goals, right? We're the ones that decided to be the one that's going to change our family name. We are the one that's going to go out there and achieve whatever goals we have in life. We're going to be the one to change, get our family out of poverty if that's the case. We're going to be the one that's going to be able to leave a legacy behind for our family, for our family name, right? That is the goal. That is what we here at IX Global have decided to do. And everyone on this call, I already see it as you guys have decided to be the one, because you're on this call here today. You are looking for something to better your life, to better your finances, to learn a skill set that can help you guys change your life, right? So you have already decided to be the one. So I first want to congratulate you and, welcome you to the community, because you guys have decided to look for something that's going to help you guys achieve your goals. So congratulations on that. And then we're going to dive into the X part. The X part is the multiplier, right? Us here at IX Global, we want to share this with others and give others like you the opportunity to be able to just make that decision to be the one and find solutions to help you guys, achieve those goals, right? So this is why we do calls like this here, guys. We are sharing the message. We are sharing the platform with others to find the people that this can benefit to help them achieve their goals, right? So again, that 1X is us deciding to be the one to go after our goals. And then the X is the multiplier, to be an inspiration to others, to help them really grow and also want to do the same. Okay, so that is the meaning behind this 1X brand. So with that being said, once you've decided that you are the one, that you want to go and achieve your goals, guys, I love this slide here because I always bring it back to that point where everyone can identify problems, right? Everyone can identify what's going wrong in life. They can complain about their job, their pay, their boss. They can complain that they have no time to travel like they want to. They have no time to, go out and, hang out with friends or whatever it may be, right? They don't have that time or financial freedom that we all desire. And everyone can complain about that, right? Everyone can identify that as a problem, right? You may know some people in your life that are always negative, complaining about that, right? Excuse me. But it takes that top people, the people that decide to be the one, to do what? to explore solutions, to find the answer to solve those problems, right? If you're not where you want to be in life, what are you doing about it to get out of that situation, to achieve all your goals, to be where you want to be in life, right? And again, because you decided to be on this call here today, I congratulate you because you are exploring solutions. You are looking for answers to help you guys get out of that situation. And with that being said, guys, that's what IX Global has to offer here with our 1X brand, right? Everything here, guys, it allows you to grow and, achieve the goals that you want in life in all facets of life, such as financial, personal, health, mindset, all these different type of goals with all these different products and services that we have here at IX Global. Okay. So when you join 1X and you become a member of this lifestyle membership club, you get access to all of these products and services to help you guys change your life, right? So we have our XCore trading platform that we're going to talk about here in just a second, but we also have our Ronin card. So for all my crypto enthusiasts, this is a card that allows you to access your crypto a lot faster with a swipe of a card, right? If you want more information about that, reach out to the person that invited you. We can get you some more information. But then we also have our Elite X mentorship, where you guys can get mentorship from some of the best in the industry of network marketing, trading, CEOs, right? Business enthusiasts, all of this kind of stuff, guys, with that Elite X membership, top-notch mentorship there from our Elite X Society. Okay. We also have a travel club that allows you guys to get exclusive discounts, whenever you travel the world on flights, hotels, cars, etc. Right? I actually just came back from a trip to Cabo where I was able to book with our travel club, saved me a lot of money going to Cabo for, about a week or so. And, I was able to, use this to be able to find those exclusive benefits. Okay. We also have our Awaken Incentive retreats. We'll talk a little bit more about that later on into the call. But for all our people that are looking to grow and want to travel and get their travel paid for, you have an opportunity to earn these Awaken trips. Okay. Then we also have our Odyssey business system, which is a funnel system to help you guys grow an online business. We have our 1X membership, as we mentioned. Our Skills is our educational platform. And to top it off, guys, we have our X Life social media platform where you guys can connect with everyone within the IX Global ecosystem all around the world. Okay. So all of this is included in our memberships, guys. And let's dive a little bit deeper into one of my favorites, XCore, right? XCore is, again, the trading educational platform that we have here at IX Global. And guys, with this trading educational platform, our goal and our design behind this was to create the best platform that we could to help you guys really grow and improve as traders. Okay. I've been trading for over 4 years now. I've been educating for almost 3 here at IX Global. And trading is just, so something that a lot of people, they're just so scared, right? They see this and they're like, oh my gosh, what are all these charts? What are these candlesticks? What are all these rectangles and all these numbers and all this kind of stuff? And it scares them away from it. They think it's so hard and it's something that's so difficult that they can't do it, right? They think it's all this mathematical, statistics, all this kind of stuff that a lot of people run away from, right? But when it really comes down to it, guys, trading is a very simple thing where we look to simply buy or sell. These rectangles, they don't move diagonal, they don't move sideways, they move up or down. And our goal as traders is to predict, is it going to move up now or is it going to move down now, right? That's what it comes down to. It's very simple. Now, I'm not going to say it's easy, right? I'm not going to lie to you and say that this is the easiest thing in the world. No, it can be difficult to try to identify some stuff, but it's not impossible, right? Trading is a skill set that can be learned like anything else, just like riding a bike, learning how to drive, whatever it may be, right? Learning a sport. All of this, you're going to start off very, brand new, not knowing what you're doing. But as you practice, as you grow, as you have proper mentors, you guys can learn the skill set and be able to have an income coming from this trading platform and be able to learn how to make maybe a part-time income, full-time income, or, whatever this may be. Maybe make this your full career, right? But all of this, guys, can come from proper education. And that is our goal here with XCore. Okay. We've had so many people come in, starting off at ground zero, not knowing anything about trading, and then moving forward and becoming, profitable traders, even some that are becoming funded traders through prop firms, right? We have so many testimonials of people learning from us here at XCore and going off and passing prop firm challenges and becoming funded traders and getting funded accounts where they're able to trade those and make a full-time income from that. Okay. So it's an amazing platform to really help people learn this skill set with real traders, real education for real people. Okay. So how can you guys get involved with this? Well, first and foremost, guys, no matter where you're at, when it comes to trading, maybe you've traded before, maybe you've never traded before, but you're interested, guys, we have education for no matter what level you're at, right? If you're brand new, beginner, never traded before, guys, don't worry. You don't have to be an expert to learn with us, right? You guys can get started with our getting started material from everything of the basics. We help you guys understand what is trading, what is crypto, what is Forex, what is a candlestick, what is a pip, what is a lot size, etc. Right? We help you guys learn all the fundamentals. We have getting started PDFs, a trading terminology vocabulary sheet with pictures to help you guys fully understand what it is that you're learning from the very beginning, right? We help you guys understand the basics to help you build a proper foundation before you start moving into the more advanced stuff. Okay. So don't worry about that, guys. If you've never traded before, we can help you. Now, if you have traded before, guys, we have the experience to still help you take your trading to the next level, right? Our goal is to help you guys, refine your strategies, maybe learn new strategies, help you find something that's going to help you be successful. Okay. And so once you've, understand and you've mastered the basics, you can then start learning the strategies that we teach here, learning proper risk management, learning how to manage your emotions and all this kind of stuff when it comes to trading. And you guys can start applying this to the markets, right? And that's the biggest thing is application, right? I love to always say that one of my favorite quotes is you can't read about push-ups, right? You could sit there and read every single book that's ever been written about push-ups. You can watch every video on YouTube of how to do the perfect push-up, but unless you actually get down on the ground and do a push-up, you're not going to get stronger, right? You have to take the knowledge from those resources and actually apply it and actually do the push-ups to grow stronger, right? And that's what comes down to trading. A lot of people think that if they just sit down and watch all these videos or hop on the live classes or read the resources, they're going to become a master trader. But really, you got to apply, you got to, experience trading for yourself. You got to make mistakes. It's going to happen. But with proper guidance, guys, we can help you guys learn from the very beginning and eliminate some mistakes. But we also can help you guys set up demo accounts where you're trading with fake money. You're not putting any real money at risk until you actually feel comfortable to be able to do so, right? That is the goal, and that is the mentorship, the kind of mentorship that you guys will receive here at XCore. Okay. And so, when it comes to XCore, what type of trading and what kind of education do we have here? Well, we have different markets, guys. Maybe you don't know what Forex is. Oops. Maybe you don't know what Forex is and you don't want to get involved in Forex, but maybe you're interested in crypto, or maybe you're interested in commodities or indices or synthetic indices, or maybe binary trading, right? We have all these different types of markets that you guys can get involved with, different strategies, different educators, and different languages that you guys can learn in. We have English, Spanish, Italian, I believe Portuguese as well, Hindi, and even a Korean that you guys can learn in here at XCore, right? So we have different languages if you prefer to learn in those languages, different strategies to help you guys find the strategy that you can relate to most, right? That is our goal, right? We don't want to force you guys to use only one strategy, right? Because every different type of trader can have a little bit different strategy that's going to help them be successful depending on what market they're looking at, what time frame, all this different kind of stuff, guys. So we want to help you guys find the one that's going to be the best fit for you, okay? And you guys can learn from our pre-recorded academies, our live sessions, and even, the recordings from all this kind of stuff and all the additional resources that we give you here at XCore. Okay. And now I do want to come here and highlight one of my favorite teams, the Empire IX team, right? And the reason why it's my favorite team is because I am a little biased, guys. I'm actually one of the educators for Empire IX, where we actually break down what institutional trading is, right? You guys may have heard that term, or you may have heard the term smart money concepts, right? Regardless, guys, institutional trading or smart money is essentially trading with the banks rather than against them. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Well, when you look at these markets, guys, a lot of these banks, right, or excuse me, all these markets that when we see them move up and down, a lot of traders don't know that the banks, the large institutions, the hedge funds, the large investors with a lot of capital, all the people that have lots of money, they're the ones that actually move the markets. You, me, and all individuals that are not a part of an institution, we are known as retail traders. And what that means, guys, is essentially we are not moving the markets. We're not the ones pushing the market up and down. We're essentially going along for a ride, right? And so our goal as traders, wouldn't you agree, is to try to figure out what the banks are going to do next, how we can jump in with the move that they're going to make to be able to ride the wave with the banks, right? And that is our goal as traders, right? That's what we're looking to do. And that's what we believe here at MRX. So we teach you the bank logic. We teach you what are the institutions trying to do? How can we identify this in the market and find ourselves in a high probable trade of trading with the banks rather than against them? Okay, so with that being said, guys, I do have a short video that I would like to play for you guys, going over this just a little bit more in depth. So let me go ahead and bring this up, guys. We have What is Institutional Trading by us here at Empire IX. Okay, so let me go ahead and play this for you guys. If somebody can let me know if the visual and the audio is okay when I start to play this, I would really appreciate it. Okay, but once again, guys, this is a short little video of what is institutional trading. What is institutional trading? Institutional trading is essentially trading with the banks rather than against them. So what do I mean by that? Well, we know that the banks and large investors are the market participants that actually move price. They are the ones with enough capital to do so. You, me, and all individuals that are trading in these markets, we are known as retail traders. And what the banks intend to do is manipulate or mislead retail traders into taking losing positions for their own advantage and profitability. A lot of retail traders attempt to learn geometric trading patterns or several indicator strategies without even considering what the large institutions are planning to do. By trading this way, some believe that they can outtrade or outsmart the banks without realizing there is no way to do that. That's like a surfer attempting to surf against a wave rather than going with the flow of the ocean. If they do that, that overpowering wave is just going to swallow them up and knock them down. As a surfer, you need to go with the direction of the water and ride the wave in order to find success, and as a trader, we need to do the same. We need to identify the direction the large institutions intend to move the market and ride the wave with the banks, and that's exactly what you will learn throughout this course. Our goal is to introduce you to concepts used by the banks to help you avoid their manipulation and educate you on how to read price action successfully. So without further ado, let's get started and take your trading to the next level with Empire IX. Awesome, guys. So once again, that is institutional trading, right? Understanding that we are looking to how can we move with the banks? How can we go with the flow of the markets of where the banks are going to push the market? And how can we jump in with them, right? What are the strategies that we use to be able to trade these concepts, right? And I love that analogy of a surfer, right? As a surfer, you can't go against a wave, right? If you try to swim out against a wave, that water is going to take you down, swallow you up. You're going to go underwater. You might get water in your nose. You might lose your board. You're not going to have a lot of success, right? And that's what comes down to when it comes to trading, right? Our goal is to go with the flow of the markets. If we try to go against the banks or try to trade without knowledge of them, we're going to not find a lot of success, right? Because they're the ones that actually move the markets. They have enough capital to do so, right? And it's kind of funny, when I was in Cabo a couple of weeks ago, I was actually, swimming in the ocean. I wasn't going deep, but I was, playing in the waves right there on the tide. And I thought about recording a video showing you that how powerful, even at the tide, at the beach, right, when the wave starts to settle down, how powerful it is that if you try to go against it, the wave is pushing you and pulling you back into the water. It's so powerful because that ocean is huge, right? That momentum of that. And I wanted to record a video to kind of show you guys of what I mean, kind of like this video here of we got to go with the flow of the water to find success, to be able to go and have a lot of momentum and find ourselves going in the right direction, right? So, very, interesting analogy that I love to always, help you guys incorporate and understand what's going on with the markets. Okay, so let me go and bring our presentation back up here today. But again, guys, that is what we teach here at Empire IX. Okay, so how can you guys learn how to trade institutional trading concepts? Well, as I mentioned, guys, if you're a beginner, you've never traded before, don't worry, guys. We're going to help you from everything from the very beginning of getting started with us here at Empire IX. Okay, we're going to tell you exactly what apps we recommend you download, how to use those apps, how to join the XCore channel, how to join our channel where you can receive all the updates, Zoom links, important information, etc. How you guys can access our academies, our pre-recorded academies, how you guys can set up your broker, and we give you some tips and articles on how to decide what the best broker for you is going to be. How to find our class schedule and giving you guys times and notifications of when those will be coming out, and then also additional resources that are exclusive to us here at Empire IX. Okay, we'll talk a little bit more about those in just a second, guys. But as soon as you guys get started and you become a member of us here at XCore, you get access to this document to help you guys get started. Okay, we also have that trader terminology beginner's guide, which is that vocabulary sheet that you get access to as well. Okay, now, in addition to that, guys, we also have our Master Trader University. This is our most popular academy for us here at Empire IX, guys. And this is a university-style academy that's going to introduce you to institutional trading concepts, okay? Now, I don't want you guys to be scared about the title of this, Master Trader University. A lot of people think that you have to be a master trader to take this course, right? And that's actually the opposite. We want beginners to take this course, to start out as a beginner and then become a master at the end by taking this course, right? And that is the goal with our Master Trader University, is to help you guys learn just like a college course. You'll enroll as a freshman, start from the very beginning of what is institutional trading, what is bank logic, and move, through all the freshman level content. Once you go through the freshman level content, you'll take a freshman level quiz. And if you pass with an 80% or higher, then you can move on to sophomore, then to junior, then to senior. And once you pass that senior level quiz with an 80% or higher, you'll receive your 4 certificates for every single level, guys, verifying that you guys are a certified smart money trader in the eyes of us here at Empire. Okay, so how cool is that, guys? You get to come in here and just like a college course, go through the content in a step-by-step format, take some quizzes to verify that you guys are understanding exactly what's been said in these videos to help you guys find success as traders. Okay, so that is our Master Trader University. And once you've gone through this, guys, again, this course, this university is designed to teach you guys the introduction to institutional trading concepts. It's going to introduce you to the bank logic. What are the banks trying to do in the markets, right? And so once you've gone through that, then we recommend going through our individual strategy courses where you can now understand why the banks move the way that they do, but now you can apply a strategy to help you identify when to get in with the banks, right? Where can you find a high probable setup to be able to trade with the banks? And that's where you guys can learn with our strategies here from myself and my two colleagues, Garrison and James, where we have our own courses where you guys can come in here and be able to learn the strategies that we use to be able to trade these concepts. Now, we all trade the same concepts. We all trade smart money concepts or institutional trading concepts, but for us, right, we're three individuals, and us three individuals kind of see the market just a little bit differently from each other. So we decided to create these courses to help you guys, find the educator that you relate to most to help you guys find success in the markets, right? So for example, mine is called the MBM method, where my goal is to simplify institutional trading concepts to help us identify what the banks are actually likely to do in the markets and how can we jump in with them. Okay, so we're going to dive a little bit deeper into that. I actually have one more short video that I want to play for you guys of an introduction to my MBM method course. Okay, so let me go ahead and bring up really quickly one more time our video here. And this is an introduction to the MBM method, my specific course here at XCore. Okay, so let me go ahead and play this again. And again, if somebody can let me know if the visual and the audio is great, I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so once again, here's the introduction to MBM method. What's going on, guys? I'm Zay Molina, and welcome to the MBM method course. The MBM method is my specific trading strategy, which is based upon institutional trading concepts. This course has been designed with the objective of providing you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the financial markets with precision and avoid manipulation while trading in alignment with the banks. Over the course of our journey together, you will gain proficiency in reading price action and identifying MBM in the market, become adept at recognizing Wyckoff schematics that are used by the large institutions, and be guided in integrating all this knowledge into a comprehensive and effective trading plan. Throughout the course, you can expect a variety of real-world examples, clear definitions, and insightful analogies, all aimed at simplifying complex concepts to ensure you attain the highest level of understanding. So get ready to embark on this exciting journey of mastering the MBM method to trade strategically alongside the major institutions. Let's dive in, unlock your potential for success, and take your trading to the next level. Awesome, guys. And there you guys have an introduction to my MBM method course. And again, guys, the idea behind this is simplifying it to help you guys fully understand what the banks are likely to do in these markets, right? So that's the goal, guys, to help you guys in a step-by-step format fully understand what we're looking for in the markets. Okay, so once again, guys, that is my personal course. And so once you've gone through that, you're able to learn the strategy. And in addition to this pre-recorded academy, we actually have a live session on Thursdays that you guys can hop on live with me on a Zoom call just like this. And we're going to mark up charts together. We're going to live trade so you guys can see this strategy in action, ask your questions, get the mentorship that you guys deserve to help you guys be successful. Okay. And in addition to our live sessions, in addition to our pre-recorded academies, right? In addition to all the stuff that we've already talked about, again, here at Empire, guys, we give you exclusive resources to help you guys be successful. Again, we wanted to create the best educational platform that we could to help you guys, have success as traders, really learn the skill set and, reach your trading goals. And with that being said, guys, we have custom spreadsheets and articles and study guides to help you guys be successful outside of the videos, right? So what we have, guys, is these spreadsheets such as our exponential growth tracker and risk calculator, our trade journal, and our trading plan template to help you guys organize all of your goals, all of your trades, and essentially all of your confirmations and your rules to help you guys trade systematically and trade like a professional trader by tracking all of this and being able to go back and, see what you've been doing right, see what you've been doing wrong to help you guys see your success and growth as a trader over time. Okay. So we have all of these with video tutorials on how to use them. Then we have our articles and study guides, including my 11-page Wyckoff schematics article that goes through Wyckoff schematics, teaches you guys, the methods of Richard D. Wyckoff, a trader in the early 1900s that identified what the smart money or the banks were trying to do in the markets and how they essentially led up to before they created their manipulation, before they started moving the markets the way that they do. What do they kind of do in advance so we can identify higher probabilities of where we can actually get in with the banks, right? So it's an amazing article, amazing method created by Wyckoff. So I wrote an article doing my own research, breaking down how you guys can actually trade this in addition to like the MBM method or other institutional trading concepts. Okay. We also have study guides here of all 4 schematics from Richard D. Wyckoff. You guys get this and some examples of what they look like in the market. Then we also have our Pac-Man analogy, guys. I love this Pac-Man analogy. This is essentially, again, simplifying the markets in a fun way to kind of relate it to something that a lot of people know, the game of Pac-Man, right? Where the banks move around the markets, just like we move Pac-Man around in the maze, and you guys can simply identify, how can we treat the markets like a game of Pac-Man, right? So it's a fun analogy to help you guys understand exactly what we're looking for and why the banks move the way that they do. Okay, so these, in addition to the getting started document, some other additional study guides that we have released, and even the trading terminology PDF, you guys get all of these articles and study guides to add to your notes to help you guys be successful traders. Now, with that being said, guys, my favorite thing about XCore is that everything we just talked about was only for Empire IX. Okay, that is only one trading team that we have here at XCore. Okay, at XCore, when you join a membership here at IX Global, you get access to all 16 teams that you see here, right? Everything from Empire IX to Vader FX to our Korean team to our Brazilian team to synthetic indices, etc. Right? You get access to all of these different channels where you guys can learn from their strategies, their resources, and every single channel, guys, sends out their own trade alerts every single week where you can take the same trades as us experts. So whenever we take a trade, guys, we send it out to our channel. You guys can simply copy and paste those numbers, take the same trades as us, and you can win when we win and lose when we lose. And the reason why I say it like that, guys, is because I don't want you to think we're those Facebook or Instagram gurus out there that say, hey, I'm 100%, I never lose, come join my channel, I guarantee 100% return and all this kind of stuff and blah, 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 blah. Guys, I recommend running away from those people. Those are your scammers. Those are the people that are most likely going to take your money, and you don't want to get involved with that, right? We are honest from the jump. We are transparent, guys. We send out our trade alerts, and guess what? We're going to take some losses, right? That is normal in trading, right? There is such thing as normal losses, right? You don't have to be 100% to be, profitable in trading, right? The key to success, and I'm going to tell you guys here on this call, the key to success when it comes to trading is proper risk management, right? Understanding that we are looking for low risk, high rewards, right? We want to limit our losses to where if we take a couple losses, maybe 1, 2, or 3 losses in a row, it's going to be a small portion of our account. But when we come back and win that fourth trade, it's going to be a huge win that's going to make all that, that loss back and still profit in the end. That is our goal. It's proper risk management, low risk, high reward setups. And that is what we teach here at XCore. So you don't have to be 100% accurate, right? You can be 60% accurate. You can be 50% accurate. You can maybe even be 40 or 30% accurate. That's 3 out of 10 trades and still be profitable with proper risk management. Okay. So we're going to teach you guys that you don't need to win every single trade. I'm not saying you're going to be 30% accurate with our strategies here, but my point being is you don't need to be afraid about losing, right? Because we understand with proper risk management, we can still be profitable. Okay. So you guys can learn that here with our XCore trade ideas and from all 16 teams. And again, guys, these are all included in the same membership. These are not additional costs, nothing like that. Okay. These are all included in one membership. Okay, so with that being said, guys, again, these are all the different channels that you get access to. And I wanted to highlight this, guys, because we just started this on March 1st. We are actually in the middle of our XCore Chart Madness Challenge. Now, simply to give you guys an idea what this is we are trying to grow as traders, right? If you guys know NCAA March Madness here in the United States, it's the National College Basketball Championship, right? It's the whole tournament that kind of goes on throughout the month of March. It's actually starting on March 20th, I believe, this year. And long story short, guys, I love basketball. It's my favorite sport. I still play it, 3 times a week at my local gym with my brother and some friends. And so with that being said, I love basketball. It's like the championship game for NCAA March Madness is actually here in Phoenix, Arizona, where I'm located. So I'm super excited about that. I'll probably be going to that. But my point being, guys, is I wanted to relate this. I've been thinking about this for years of how can we kind of make a challenge that's kind of related to March Madness because, Chart Madness, March Madness sounds similar, right? But in addition to that, how can I do this in a way that helps encourage people to develop the discipline and consistency that they need to become successful in this in trading, right? So it's not a tournament. We're not doing a tournament, anything like that, because I didn't want anybody to get discouraged from trading in case they do lose, right? I didn't want anything like that. We wanted everyone to be able to become a winner and be able to be successful. So what we did, guys, is created our own bracket, if you will, where we're able to go and complete 31 challenges in 31 days of March and be able to be successful by completing at least one task every single day to help us, consistently develop healthy habits and develop the discipline that we need to be successful traders. Okay, so we're on day 4 right now, March 4th, where our goal now today is to choose the course and educator that we're going to follow and be able to start practicing with that. And then we have challenges like back testing a certain pair, finding 5 examples. We're also taking and marking up a trade alert that gets sent out. So not only are you copying and pasting those numbers, but you're actually going back and actually marking up the trade yourself to see why we took that trade. Then there's also, essentially goals like watching a class every single day or not every single day, but throughout some days, right? Reviewing some of the resources, going through some trading psychology tasks to help you guys develop the right mindset when it comes to trading. All of this stuff within 31 days, at least doing one task every single day. Okay. And the final challenge, right? Our championship game, if you will, is essentially going to be getting to the point where you have your trading plan fully written out, all of your rules there, and you can go into the market and without any help, you can mark up a trade and take that trade by yourself following your rules. Okay. It's not about winning. It's not about growing your account by 10% or anything like that. Your goal is to simply identify how can I write my trading rules, find a strategy that I understand, be able to find this in the market and mark up a trade on my own using that strategy all within 31 days, right? So that is our goal with this Chart Madness Challenge, to help people be successful and help expedite kind of the trading process in a faster way to help you guys be successful. Okay. So I know we've already started this. It's our day 4, but if you're interested in this, guys, if you guys get started today, you can participate in this challenge with us and get started to really understand and develop this, the discipline that you need to be a successful trader. Okay. So with that being said, guys, before we dive into, pricing, I see some people asking like, how can we get started? I do want to mention too, that if you love our XCore platform, you love the trading education that you've been receiving here, you have an option to be a brand ambassador here at IX Global by simply, this is included in your membership. So I don't think this is an additional cost, anything like that, but this is an option for you guys if you want to take advantage and be a brand ambassador of IX Global. Okay. If you love the education that you're receiving, you're finding success as a trader, and you think that this can benefit some other people, right? Maybe you have family or friends that, really like this. You guys can share the platform with other people. They can join through a referral link that you send them. And if they join under your referral link, you guys can receive commission from IX Global as a thank you for simply sharing the platform with others, right? So let's say, for example, you invite your family or friends. Let's say your brother wants to join. If he joins a membership, let's say he joins one of our premium memberships, the Elite X membership, you guys will earn, $20 when he joins, right? If he joins under your referral link, signs up, pays his membership, you'll receive $20 from IX Global in your back office that you can withdraw, you can use towards a membership, you can add it to your trading account, whatever you want to do. It's your money, but it's a simple thank you for simply inviting people to the platform. That is what we call our direct bonus. Okay. Now, the best thing about this is, let's say your brother comes in and he loves it, he's learning as well. If he comes back and renews his membership the next month, you will actually receive another $20 every single month that person renews, and every single time, every person that you refer to the platform, you will earn a commission for simply, just inviting them to the platform. So it's essentially residual income, guys. Every time a person renews their membership, you get that direct bonus. Okay. There's also additional bonuses such as our apprentice bonus. If you refer up to 3 people, guys, you can earn an additional $100 every single month from IX Global for simply referring 3 people to the platform. If you want to continue to grow this and not only invite family and friends, but you want to maybe kind of build like an online business and be a full-time brand ambassador here at IX Global, or even a part-time brand ambassador, you guys can find online clients, invite them to the platform, people that you think can really benefit from our trading education or any of the services that we have here at IX Global. And you guys can build an online organization, and you can earn certain ranks and earn anywhere from $500 to $2,000 a week. Yes, I said a week, guys. We pay weekly here at IX Global. You guys can earn anywhere from that type of a commission from our rank bonuses, and even build 2 teams, right? A team commission, and be able to earn from, the different types of numbers that you have, all that kind of stuff. I don't want to go too deep into the compensation plan and all this kind of stuff, but if you're interested in possibly becoming a brand ambassador, reach out to the person that invited you. They can tell you more about this and how you guys can, not only learn trading, but also simply invite people to the platform. You build a community that you can learn trading with, but also, earn a commission for simply inviting them to the platform. Okay, so that is what we have here. Again, guys, this is completely optional, but this is included in every membership that we have here for no additional cost. So just wanted to mention it, let you guys know what we have here. Now, with that being said, guys, let me go to take a look at this. I know some people were asking, how can we get started? What are prices? All that kind of stuff. So here at IX Global, our goal was to create the best educational platform that we could with this lifestyle membership club, but we wanted it to be affordable, right? We wanted to give this to everyday people, not just the elite, not just the top 1% that are already rich. We want to help people start wherever they're at. Maybe they're at the, the lower class, middle class, wherever it may be, guys. We want to help you guys achieve your goals no matter where you're starting. So we wanted to create this as affordable as possible. So with that being said, really quickly, this is one of our weekend trips coming up in Bali. If you do participate in the brand ambassador program, you guys can get access to this fully paid for trip by IX Global. Okay. But if you guys, again, going back to our memberships, we have our monthly memberships here, guys. We have our Light, Pro, and elite. Okay, so again, we wanted to create this platform as best as we could, but also affordable. So we have 3 different memberships, guys. Our $115 a month, $115 a month, $145 a month, and $190 a month of our light, pro, and elite. Okay. Now, with these, right, the great thing about IX Global and this lifestyle club that we have is any membership that you choose will give you access to our XCore Trading Academy and everything we have that comes to the trading educational platform. Okay. So if you want to start with just the light membership, you get access to everything when it comes to the trading education, all the live classes, the courses, the resources, the trade ideas, etc. Right? All of that is included in this membership here. Okay. In addition to that, you get access to the brand ambassador program that we just talked about. You get access to our beginner travel club where you guys can receive some benefits of traveling. If you want to travel the world, you can definitely receive some of those, and you earn some flexor points and some other discounts. Okay. This is our light membership, guys, to help you guys get started. Now, we also have the pro membership. The pro membership gives you some additional benefits in addition to the light membership. You get access to, a cruise certificate. You get access to more benefits within the travel program, and, even some, different benefits for simply joining the pro membership. But if you really want to grow your life, not just in trading, but maybe you want to get exclusive mentorship from some of the best people, some of the best entrepreneurs out there. Maybe you guys want to, learn in multiple areas, not just trading, but other, business opportunities, all that kind of stuff, guys. I highly recommend looking at the elite membership. It's $190 a month, but with this, you get access to everything in the light, everything in the pro, all of the education that we have here at IX Global. You get access to the Elite X mentorship, exclusive mentorship, invite only from our CEO, Joe Martinez, and some of the other top entrepreneurs, Navy SEALs, certified personal trainers, all of that within the elite membership. You get access to all of the discounts within our travel program, additional flex points that you can use within the ecosystem or in the travel club, and all of this extra stuff that you see here within the travel club for only $190 a month, right? If you guys look at it, it's only $75 more than the light membership here, guys. So if you want to really grow, not only in trading, but in all aspects of life, I highly recommend the elite membership. Okay. Now, with this being said, guys, these are our 3 memberships. And if you guys stick with me to the end, I'll show you that you can actually get started with us today for free. But before we get to that, I do want to mention that here at IX Global, as I mentioned, we're not those Facebook or Instagram gurus out there that say, hey, get rich quick, guys. This is trading. You can, guarantee 10% income in a week and blah, 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 blah. Guys, we are not those people, right? That we are not those people that are going to lie to you and tell you this is a get rich quick scheme or anything like that. Guys, trading takes time. Right? For me, it took about 6 to 7 months for me to really understand the strategy that I was learning. I was learning multiple strategies all at once. I didn't have a lot of organization, right? So this is where we come together as XCore to really help you guys fast track your trading success as best as possible. But I can't guarantee you're going to learn trading in a month. Can't guarantee you're going to learn trading in 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 months, right? It all comes down to your effort, your participation, your practice. That's going to help you guys achieve success just like anything else in the world, right? So you got to make sure that you're willing to give this time and give it, consistent effort, right? And so with that being said, what we decided to do was, instead of just creating monthly memberships that you got to pay every single month, we decided to create season passes to help you guys fully commit to your goals, to yourself, that I can do this and I'm going to give it time to be able to see it through and actually go after it day after day, right? And really find that consistent discipline that I need to, right? So if you guys want to take that challenge and really, challenge yourself to say, I'm going to stick with this no matter what for 6 or 12 months at least, we have season passes where you guys can pay this up front, do a 6-month pass where you guys will just pay a one-time fee, actually save a full membership. And this gives you access to everything in the Elite X membership and some additional benefits. You actually get some additional discounts and stuff with the travel club, and even some additional flex points, all that kind of stuff, for only $9.99 for the 6-month pass. Okay, if you want to do a 12-month pass, it's $29.99, right? And this again gives you everything in the Elite X membership and additional flex bonus points that you can use towards, redeeming later on within our platform. Okay, so all of this, if you really want to dedicate yourself, make sure that you're challenging yourself to give this time. You can use our season passes of 6 months or 12 months. Or if you want to start here with a monthly membership, you can start with our light, pro, or elite monthly membership and pay this month after month. Okay. But it's entirely up to you guys. You got to decide which is the best membership that's going to be for you. Do you want to just start with the trading? You can start with the light membership. But if you really want to, grow in all aspects of life, you can do the elite membership and get that additional mentorship, all that kind of stuff within these memberships. Okay. So again, it's up to you. I recommend reaching out to the person that invited you, having a conversation with them and deciding with them which is the best fit for you. Okay. So with that being said, guys, that is what we have. We have our monthly memberships, our season passes for you guys to get started and start participating here at IX Global. But I did mention earlier that there is a way for you guys to get started. Let's say you're interested, and if you're feeling like, hey, this may be for me, but before I fully commit, I kind of want to see what it's all about. If that's the case, guys, you can actually join for free by reaching out to the person that invited you and asking them to help you get set up with X Life 100% for free. Okay. They will send you a referral code that you can sign up, create your account, no purchase necessary, and you guys can access our social media platform and receive some free limited education, start interacting with people all around the world, including myself. I'm on this platform here, guys, all the time. You guys can see my posts. You can message me directly and ask some questions. I can help you guys get started, see what the trading is all about, and even all the other aspects here at IX Global, right? We even launched a brand new project when it comes to our Cloud X project, right? Kind of going over some data servers and all that kind of stuff. If you want more information about that, again, reach out to the person that invited you. But you guys can come in here, start interacting with traders around the world, start interacting with everyone, all the entrepreneurs within IX Global, and kind of see what it's all about, and even hop on some free classes and kind of just learn a little bit more about what we have before fully committing to a membership. And when you are ready to commit to the Lite or the Elite X membership, guys, you can then upgrade at any time and really, start your education fully on, getting access to all the courses, all the education that you have access to. Okay, so with that being said, guys, again, these are the memberships, the options that you guys have to get started with us here at IX Global. But let's say, before we hop off here today, I want you guys to fully understand whether you join IX Global or not. I want to leave you with this message. You go after your goals. You've already decided to be the one, right? Remember, you hopped on this call for a reason because you're looking for solutions to help you get out of the situation that you're at and help you guys achieve more in life, right? So whether IX Global is the perfect fit for you or not, guys, I encourage you to continue going after your goals, continue finding the community that's going to help you grow and become the people that you want. And if you want that community of like-minded individuals to help you find success, we have one here at IX Global. And again, you guys can join that absolutely for free on our X Life platform and just start engaging with us to help you guys achieve your goals. So once again, guys, thank you guys for hopping on here today. Again, welcome to 1X. If you're deciding that this is the platform for you, if you guys want to get started with the trading education, reach out to that person that invited you. And once you get signed up, guys, send me a message on X Life, connect with me. I'll, introduce you, help you find the resources that you need to be successful, and we can help you guys take your trading to the next level.